welcome to part 4 of my zeolite series. Go ahead and stick around if you've ever wondered the difference between diatomaceous earth, zeolite, and bentonite clay. I'm going to answer your questions. First up, diatomaceous earth. They are the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. Now take a look at this picture. The fossilized material is really rough and coarse. That's why you don't want to breathe it in. You should wear a mask. It's really bad for your lungs, but really, really good for your gut. It basically scrapes out all the buildup in your digestive tract. But diatomaceous earth is also really, really high in silica. And silica is amazing for your skin, your nails, and your hair. That's why a lot of people take it. It's not the most highly studied, but there is some evidence that it can help with a parasite cleanse. In this study where hens were treated, they were a little bit healthier, they laid more eggs, they were heavier, but the results did indicate it has the potential to help with parasites. It can dry out the exoskeleton of certain insects. And to summarize, it helps clean out the gunk, trace minerals, hair, skin, and nails. Next up, zeolite. Zeolite is a very specific, naturally occurring framework silicate mineral with a tetrahedral shape. It's actually derived from volcanic ash. This is zeolite clinoptilolite. This lattice structure here has a negative ion charge, and it traps all those heavy metals in this structure. Now, we know from a plethora of scholarly studies, which you can look up on the NIH or PubMed, zeolite uses a negative ion exchange to detox from aluminum, lead, mercury, cadmium, ammonium, and histamine. And in that ion exchange, it'll deposit calcium, magnesium, potassium, and lots of good nutrients back into your body. There's really no indication that it depletes the good minerals, but it doesn't hurt to alternate supplementation with iron, magnesium, and copper sebacate. Now, the histamine absorption means some people use it for allergies. According to this study, zeolites absorb histamine under experimental conditions. The smaller the particle size of zeolite, the higher the histamine binding capacity. Reduce histamine, reduce inflammation, reduce allergies. It's also proven for radiation poisoning. You can pause to read. So, there's good reason why it's called the magic stone. Bentonite is a clay. It's got a soft, silky texture. You guys know I love heliotrophon, but there's lots of options. If you've ever seen the Aztec secret clay, that's bentonite. It's really effective at soaking up oils. A lot of people mix it with water to make a face mask for acne or rejuvenation. In this study, they found that bentonite clay was effective in preventing and diminishing poison ivy and poison oak allergic reaction from contact dermatitis. I love it for toothpaste because it remineralizes and it's a gentle abrasive. Alright, to sum up, bentonite clay works great in toothpaste, it works great on your skin for any acne or skin irritation, and any impurities that you're having trouble sweating out. Let me know your thoughts and let's help the algorithm. Forget to boop. Amazon links in bio.